Hey folks, it is a Sunday and we are going to work on our van again. It's about 50, so kind of warm-ish. So what we are doing, we've core-sighted, is that a thing? Some of the rust spots in the van, and now we are going to work on sound dampening. What's up?
Marshall's about to come out here to help.
Yeah? Oh yeah? Say, it's all done.
We'll surprise her. Okay?
Alright. So we just got done working on parts of the van. I grinded down all those screws that we were going to pale our heads on. So that's good. And then when we have a good game plan for what we need when we head to Menards.
I think that's the most important part.
Yeah, game plan.
It's game plan's hard. But now
Measure
we know.
choice, buy once. Yeah.
Well, thanks to other people who have done their van, we kept the carpet intact and laid it out in the garage so we can just cut a template, which other people have done. I probably
would have done that.
Yeah, Lindsay probably would have thought about it, but it's still helpful to see, to be like, right,
It
this
is.
is the step.
It is.
Hey! When Hudson sits down, he's done.
Rawr.
She gets really pissed off at her tail.
Kaylin, are you going to see Lincoln?